Ever felt like you're stuck in a financial holding pattern? Like you're using a platform that's fine, but not quite right? You're not alone. Maybe you're using Newton and you're wondering, where do I go from here? What are my options? You're not alone in asking this vital question. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, sticking with the status quo isn't always the best strategy. Let's be real. The crypto landscape is a whirlwind. New platforms, new features, new opportunities, it's enough to make your head spin. And while Newton might have been your starting point, it's perfectly natural to explore what else is out there. Maybe you're looking for lower fees, a wider range of coins, more advanced trading tools, or simply a platform that aligns better with your long-term financial goals. We're going to dive deep into the crucial question of where can I transfer from Newton? We'll explore the factors to consider, the potential destinations, and how to make the smoothest, most informed transition possible. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Why consider transferring at all? Newton, like any platform, has its strengths and weaknesses. Perhaps you've encountered limitations in the coin selection, or maybe the fees are starting to eat into your profits. Perhaps you're looking for more sophisticated charting tools, or maybe you're venturing into DeFi and need a platform that supports that. Whatever your reason, acknowledging the need for change is the first step. It's not about bashing Newton, it's about being proactive in managing your financial future. It's about recognizing that your needs might have outgrown your current platform. So, where do you start? Before you even think about transferring, you need to define your priorities. What are you looking for in a new platform? Fees, are you a frequent trader? If so, low trading fees are paramount. Look for platforms with transparent fee structures and consider those offering tiered fee discounts based on trading volume. Coin selection, are you interested in altcoins or niche tokens? Make sure the new platform supports the coins you want to trade. Security, this is non-negotiable. Look for platforms with robust security measures, including two-factor authentication, cold storage of funds, and a proven track record. User interface, is the platform easy to navigate? A user-friendly interface is essential, especially if you're new to crypto. Customer support, when things go wrong, you need reliable support. Look for platforms with responsive customer service, ideally offering multiple channels like live chat, email, and phone support. Trading tools, are you a technical trader? Look for platforms with advanced charting tools, order types, and real-time market data. Regulation and compliance, does the platform comply with relevant regulations in your jurisdiction? This is crucial for long-term security and peace of mind. Staking and lending, are you interested in earning passive income? Consider platforms that offer staking or lending options. DeFi integration, if you're venturing into decentralized finance, look for platforms that support DeFi protocols and wallets. Once you've identified your priorities, it's time to explore potential destinations. Let's break down some of the most popular alternatives, keeping in mind that the best choice depends on your individual needs. 1. Major centralized exchanges. These are the giants of the crypto world, offering a vast selection of coins, high liquidity, and advanced trading tools. Examples include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and KuCoin. Pros: high liquidity, wide coin selection, advanced trading features, robust security. Cons: can be complex for beginners, may have higher fees for smaller traders, regulatory scrutiny in some regions. 2. Brokerage platforms. These platforms simplify the buying and selling of crypto, often with a focus on user-friendliness. Examples include Gemini, Crypto.com, and BitBuy. Pros: user-friendly interface, simplified trading, often offer additional features like crypto rewards and debit cards. Cons: may have fewer advanced trading tools, fees can be higher than dedicated exchanges, limited coin selection. 3. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs. These platforms allow you to trade crypto directly from your wallet without the need for a centralized intermediary. Examples include Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and SushiSwap. Pros: greater privacy and control over your funds, access to a wider range of tokens, no KYC requirements in many cases. Cons: can be complex for beginners, higher risk of scams and rug pulls, gas fees can be high on some blockchains. 4. Crypto wallets. While not exchanges themselves, certain wallets offer direct buy and swap functions and are a place to hold your crypto after transfer. Examples include Trust Wallet, Exodus, and Ledger. Pros: full control of your crypto. Cons: not a traditional exchange, so features can be limited. Now, let's talk about the actual transfer process. It's crucial to approach this with caution and attention to detail. Verify the destination address, double-check, triple-check, and quadruple-check the destination address. A single mistake can result in the permanent loss of your funds. Test with a small amount. Before transferring a large sum, send a small test transaction to ensure everything is working correctly. Be aware of network fees. Network fees can vary depending on the blockchain and network congestion. Factor these fees into your calculations. Consider security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scams. Understand withdrawal limits. Platforms have withdrawal limits, so make sure you understand the rules before initiating a transfer. Timing. Be aware that market volatility can affect the value of your assets during the transfer process. Here are some additional tips for a smooth transfer. Research the platform, read reviews, compare features, and understand the platform's reputation before making a decision. Understand the KYC/AML requirements. Be prepared to provide identification documents if required by the new platform. Backup your wallet. If you're using a software wallet, make sure you have a secure backup of your seed phrase. Stay informed. The crypto world is constantly changing, so stay up to date on the latest news and developments. The question of where can I transfer from Newton isn't just about finding a new platform, it's about taking control of your financial journey. It's about being proactive, informed, and adaptable. It's about recognizing that your needs evolve, and your financial tools should evolve with them. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best platform for you depends on your individual needs, goals, and risk tolerance. Take the time to research your options, weigh the pros and cons, and make an informed decision. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try out different platforms, explore new features, and find the one that resonates with you. The crypto world is full of opportunities, and it's up to you to seize them. And always prioritize security. Keep your funds safe, protect your personal information, and be vigilant against scams. The crypto world can be a wild west, but with the right knowledge and precautions, you can navigate it successfully. Ultimately, the decision of where to transfer from Newton is yours. It's a personal choice that should be based on your own research and due diligence. Take your time, weigh your options, and make the decision that's right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.